What is up, guys? Welcome back to Kicking It Country, and this is the Waterfall update. From over here, we got a wading pole. Put on our waders, go ahead and stomp around.
And they did do a test run, that's why there's water here. He said he still got to put a seam in right here, but it'll eventually all look like this. Still got a long way to go, but it's coming along though. Did you have to work today down here?
No. We got off the bus at like 4 and it's almost done.
But here's the update. The update is,
well, we took out rock from the trailer and put it right here.
It'll all eventually look like this with the creek, the big rocks on the side for the creek bed. And this is their wading pole, where the granddaughters and grandboys will be able to go barefooted right into here, wade around. Dad said he still had to do some more building up on this to get the water to go all the way back. That's why he's been doing test runs to see what he needs to do here or there, but
then he's got to put some more stuff down through here and then do the same thing.
But it is coming along. A little further than we was before.
A lot further than we was before.
So no matter where you're at,
no matter what you're doing, get out
and kick it country, guys. See you next time.